On July 28, 2025, several key government actions, legislative activities, enforcement notices, and public events took place in Ohio. 1. Major government action, sales tax holiday expansion. Ohio's annual sales tax holiday was officially expanded from 10 days to 2 full weeks, beginning at midnight on Friday, August 1st, and ending at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, August 14th, 2025. This tax holiday exempts state and local sales taxes on all tangible personal property purchases under $500, both in person and online. The state sales tax rate of 5.75% and local taxes up to 2.25% are reimbursed by the state government. Exclusions include watercraft, outboard motors, motor vehicles, alcohol, tobacco, vape products, and marijuana-containing items. Restaurant bills, excluding those for alcohol, are also eligible. The holiday aims to provide significant tax relief during this period, following a previous year's cost of $124 million to the state and lower than anticipated total estimates. 1. 2. Legislative activity. Property tax relief options proposed by county auditors. Ohio County Auditors, represented by the County Auditor Association of Ohio, presented multiple policy proposals aimed at addressing the rising property tax burden for Ohio residents. Key suggestions include expanding the homestead exemption program, which currently exempts taxes on the first $26,200 of property valuation for seniors, over 65, low-income individuals, and permanently disabled persons, ending a 10% non-business credit, which often favors for-profit owners, and expanding a 2.5% owner occupancy credit to benefit actual homeowners, reforming the process of adjusting school levies during property reappraisals for fairness, creating a flexible menu of tax relief programs, such as deferrals, income tax credits, or abatements, targeted at low and moderate income property owners. Franklin County Auditor Michael Stinciano expressed support for multiple options to address the diverse needs of property owners, citing ongoing legislative efforts, including a recent House override of Governor Mike DeWine's veto on restricting school districts' levy powers. The sentiment among officials is that comprehensive and substantive property tax relief legislation is imminent. 2. Public event, opening of SBA Business Recovery Center in Ohio County. The U.S. Small Business Administration inaugurated a business recovery center in Ohio County on July 28, 2025, located at Triadelphia Town Hall, 4453 National Road, Triadelphia, WV 26059. The center aims to assist small businesses. SBA representatives provide guidance on disaster loan programs, application procedures, and personalized assistance. The center is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., and closed Sundays. Walk-ins are welcome, with appointment scheduling available online. 3. Enforcement action. New procedures for underground storage tank (UST) applications, starting July 28, 2025. The Ohio Department of Commerce's Division of State Fire Marshal implemented new policies regarding the submission and processing of applications, requests, corrective actions, and release prevention measures for underground storage tanks (UST). Details indicate a procedural or administrative change aimed at streamlining or regulating UST-related activities, though specific operational impacts were not detailed in the available sources. 4. No other significant legislative or executive announcements or statewide public events in Ohio were reported on that exact date in the sources reviewed. Summary table of key Ohio government activities on July 28, 2025. Category, description, agencies, officials, dates, duration, IDs, regulation, price adjustments. Sales tax holiday, expanded from 10 to 14 days, state sales tax exemption on tangible items under $500. Ohio State Government. August 1st to August 14th, 2025. ID, property tax release. Proposals to expand homestead exemption, revise credits, and reform levy adjustments. County Auditor Association, Ohio House. Proposal presented July 28, 2025. SBA Disaster Assistance. Opening of Business Recovery Center to aid businesses residents affected by June storms. J.S. Small Business Administration. Opened July 28, 2025. UST Regulation Update. Division of State Fire Marshal updated UST application/permit policies. Ohio Department of Commerce Fire Marshal, effective July 28, 2025. These actions illustrate Ohio's focus on tax relief, disaster recovery support, and regulatory administration on this state.